Welcome to the Baseface Network.
Today, I'm going to give my opinion on smoking around campus area. For context, a few years ago, university and colleges have started a movement in banning students or staff to smoking around at the campus area. This movement then extended to outside areas as well, which means that anyone who is smoking outside the campus gate but within the reachable area will be given a warning or even demoted off campus. Well, here's my opinion regarding to the topic. I'm going to specify more about smoking outdoors and outside the campus gates but within reach of campus area. Indonesia has one of the highest smoking rates in the world and is currently one of the biggest producers of tobacco worldwide. The culture of smoking is not only popular within older people, especially younger on some 14% of staff and university students smoke. That is pretty big percentage, and the question of the outdoor ban on campus would include the reason for 1. Health. Reducing the risk of exposure to cigarette smoke for non-smokers, especially students, staff, and visitors. 2. Environment. Reducing air pollution and waste from tobacco products. 3. Healthy lifestyle. Encouraging behavioral change towards a healthier life. Question word is a word to X question. The question X from a noun clause or adjective clause. This question word can be used in indirect or indirection sentence. There are many types of question words that are adjusted to their vocation. For question words, we can divide them into the following categories: who, what, when, where, why, and of course how. There are the WH question. There are other additions which, whose, and who. When is question word in English that is used to ask about the time or period of time in which an event occurred. Example when. Number 1. When is your birthday? Kapan ulang tahunmu? Number 2. When did you meet your best friends? Kapan kamu akan bertemu dengan sahabatmu? Number 3. When did the movie start? Kapan filmnya akan mulai? Where? Di mana? Where is question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. Example where. Number 1. Where is the bathroom? Di mana kamar mandinya? Number 2. Where did you find this book? Di mana kamu menemukan buku ini? Number 3. Where are my keys? Di mana kunci saya? Who, siapa, untuk subjek. Who is question word in English that is used to ask about the identity of person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Example. Number 1. Who is he? Siapa dia? Number 2. Who is your favorite actor? Siapa aktor favoritmu? Number 3. Who is your best friend? Siapa sahabat terbaikmu? Apa? What is question word in English that is used to ask about objective activities or concepts that occurred or involved in a particular event, activity, or context? Example what? Number 1. What is your favorite color? Apa warna favoritmu? Number 2. What are you doing this weekend? Apa rencanamu di akhir pekan ini? Number 3. What do you want to be when you are grow up? Kamu ingin menjadi apa ketika dewasa nanti? Why? Kenapa? This word is used to ask the reason behind the event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example why. Number 1. Why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? Number 2. Why did you come to the party? Kenapa kamu datang ke pesta? Number 3. Why should I trust you? Mengapa saya harus percaya kamu? Siapa untuk subjek. Whom is question word used to ask about the person who is the object in sentence. Example 1. Number 1. Whom are you waiting for? Kamu sedang menunggu siapa? Number 2. Whom are you talking to on the phone? Kamu sedang berbicara dengan siapa? Number 3. With whom did you go to the concert? Dengan siapa kamu pergi ke konser? How? Bagaimana? How is question word in English that is used to ask about the method or process of how an event or action is carried out. Example how. Number 1. How did you get to the airport? Bagaimana kamu sampai ke bandara? Number 2. How do you bake a cake? Bagaimana cara memanggang kue? Number 3. How can I improve my English speaking skill? Bagaimana cara saya meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara bahasa Inggris saya? Which is question word in English that help you choose between several options. Example which. Number 1. Which book are you reading right now? Buku mana yang sedang kamu baca sekarang? Number 2. Which song is your favorite from the album? Lagu mana yang menjadi favoritmu dari album tersebut? Number 3. Which color do you prefer? Red or blue? Warna mana yang kamu lebih suka? Merah atau biru?